Come here, Taz. Okay, I'm just coming back to get the rest of this. I'm gonna take the dog for a walk. I gotta show you guys. Okay, you can see the wax. I want to show you how fucked up the wax is compared to where areas that I've started to wipe off. But we're talking about a mirror finish. This is Mother's carnauba wax after a, and you're looking at a lot of, well, you're looking at some blemishes, but and this hood is fucked. So don't worry about the hood. Come here, Taz. You're looking at a lot of lint still, and then the plastic, I have to do some plastic restore. It's not gonna look right. Let's go to this side. I got a lot off this. Look at this shit, is like mirror finish shit. Look at the back though. Look at that clarity of that finish. We're talking about the back end of a work vehicle of 200,000 miles, you know, with black paint. You can still see a couple scratches, but you can actually see the blue metal flake in this paint job. And the spider webbing is like non-existent compared to what it used to be. Oh, I can see little water trickles. See, I'm gonna have to go back over this whole freaking surface with a microfiber. But look, you see the typical spider webbing rings around the sun? That's different. You're always going to have that. But, especially if you use an orbital. Anyway, but what I'm talking about is, you don't, it's hard to explain. It's just nothing compared to what it was. Those things are so much easier picked up with optics anyway. Because the contrast, the light convergence, it blinds detail, but any kind of light reflection is much brighter than it really is. So like if the spider webbing catches light, it's going to be way brighter than it would with the human eye. So Mother's carnauba, Brazilian carnauba wax, and after Mother's, the $20 Mother's synthetic clay bar. It's called the Speed Clay 2.0. It's dope. Like 20 to 40 uses. It's like a nano skin type shit, rubber. It's the only thing you want to take contaminants off your car, and like little, you know, bugs and pollen, and not necessarily chunks of sap, but a sappy stickiness, you bet. It would be like the Rain-X cleaner shit that strips your windows for cars. It would be like that. And then of course, like the wax would be like the Rain-X weather, you know, protectant. It just makes it super slick and nice. And you can put Rain-X on anything. I don't know about clear coat, but like a lot of shit. Even at your house, shower doors, all kinds of shit. Blabber, blabber.